So you're trying to install or download apps on your own Roku 4K Smart TV, and now you want to add new apps, download streaming channels, or explore the Roku channel store. So here's how you can do it easily and quickly. So first, from your Roku home screen, go to the apps and input section. So now you have to scroll down until you find the option add apps or add channels option. So whichever appears on your TV, once you open it, you will see lots of app categories like movies and TV, more apps, comedy, education, fitness, food, and many more. Some Roku TVs don't have search option, and as you can see here, I don't have one. But if your Roku TV does have the search channels option, so just choose the category and you have to search here by scrolling down. And when you get your app from here, just go for it and you will find here the option add app. So just press OK again. So you will get this pop-up, and that means your app is added on your home screen perfectly. So after that, go back to the home screen and you will find all your newly added apps here, and you can even move them around to organize them the way you like. So that's how you can easily install and add apps on your own Roku TV. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.